guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell to keep you updated. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing another unboxing. As you can see, I have two stuff here. This is actually, the brand of this is Lamicall. My favorite brand from Amazon for this kind of stuff. And this one is a tablet stand. This is actually the #1 bestseller on Amazon. And this one is the headphone stand. So without any further ado, I'm gonna start the unboxing. See ya! First, I'm gonna start unboxing the tablet stand, and let's see what's inside. And this is what you will find inside: the user manual, and this is the receipt from Amazon. And this is spare parts of the tablet, and that's it, only that. And as you can see, this is so simple as that. Look at that. And what I love about this, it has this rubber to protect your device from any scratches. And also at the bottom of this, it has this anti-slip rubber, so it won't slip. You see, when you put it on the table or something is slippery, you don't need it won't slip. And the other thing about this, it is like if you are charging your tablet or like that, you can put the wiring here from here until there. And also, what I really love about it, it is compatible with almost of the tablet, from 4 inches to 13 inches. And this is very lightweight as well. You see, it's very lightweight and very nice and very simple. You don't need more decorative, and it's very simple. I love it. And also, what I really love about this one is it's adjustable. You see, like that. So now I can watch something on my tablet, because I didn't use it until I got this this stand, because it doesn't have cover and it's very slippery. When I put it here like this, it will slip like that. So I just waited until I got this tablet stand. You see how nice it is, and it's very not so big, and you will have a lot of space and very organized space on your desk. So I can recommend this one. This is actually #1 bestseller among the tablet stand on Amazon. It is also not so expensive, and what I really love about it is how simple it is. And also they include spare parts, I think. Yeah, there is for this, for protection of your device from scratches, and also two at the bottom, rubber cushion for the bottom. Yeah. And the next thing that I'm gonna unbox is the headphone stand. I just opened it, but I didn't set it up yet, so I'm so excited. I got it white color, because I love white. This one, it has only silver and black, so I just picked the silver. And look at that, there's what's inside the box. This one is like a saddle. horse saddle. And this pole, this pole is the stand is alloy, and it has a user it's share sample life. No, it's just it's a thank you card. Thank dear customer. Yeah, thank you message. They are very grateful for purchasing your product. They're so sweet. And look at this. How nice it is. So what I really love about this product, it is very simple, and yet the quality are good, very good. And if you are a minimalist, I highly recommend this brand on Amazon. And now I'm gonna assemble it. It's very easy to assemble like that. Yeah, the quality is actually good. And this one is here. It's like a saddle for a horse. And it has also like a slippery pad under, so it won't slip. So look at this, and then let me check my headphone. Wow. And this is it. Yeah, look at that. So yeah, how nice it is. I hope you like it as well. And like if you don't want to, if you want your headphone to be ready all the time, so you will just grab it, and then you will just hang it here. Because what I love about this thing, it has like it is made up of plastic, and very look at the finishing. It is really good quality. It won't scratch your headphone, and I guess it supports most of the headphone. And look at that, how nice it is. I really love it. And actually there's another like headphone holder, but that you can attach it on the table and hang it. But I chose this one because it has a lot of good review. So I chose this one, and I didn't regret it. And what I love about it is the feature of this is this rubber at the bottom, so that the anti-slip rubber, so it won't slip. So your headphone is very safe. So that's it for today's, guys. Thank you so much for unboxing with me, and I hope you like this one. If you are interested to order this, I will provide the link on the description box so that you can find it easily. And also to all my members, thank you so much for your never-ending support. Thank you so much. That's why I keep trying to make video because of your support. And of course, to all my viewers and subscribers, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for the love, and I hope to see you again on my next vlog. I love you all, and kisses. See ya.
I heard the